In this ViralScript AI review video, I'm going to show you and demo how you can use this short form AI script maker. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them below. I tend to reply within a few minutes to a couple of hours, and I'd also leave the lifetime deal for this offer in the description below. This is the ViralScript AI dashboard. At the top, you have the training area, the dashboard. Then you can choose, if you are a pro user, whether or not to add your own API key, or if you're a pro member, you can use the built-in API. You also have tutorials at every step of the way, which will guide you on how to do every little thing needed. In the right-hand corner, you'll have all the updates the app makes, and to get started, it's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do is click Add a Custom Hook. And then you want to add the series hook title, the potential view count, and the content view proof. What this basically means is if you go to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and have a look at all of the trending videos, you will see each of the videos might have a hook. The hook is this piece of text at the top for each video. So for this example, things girls wish guys know. Head back over to our tool, put in the hook, we'll grab the URL, paste that in, and we'll just say this had 300,000 views. Then we'll do add series hook, and then we'll save it to the database. We'll then go ahead and select the video, and we can choose one of the done for you templates, which is the framework the script's going to be created based on the category that you want. If you are a 90sec vid system user, which shows a very specific formula to going viral, then select the 90sec vid system. If you're not, and you're not sure what this option does, just go ahead and use one of these other things, like consultants, for example. You can then decide how many pieces of content to generate. So let's do 10 pieces and do generate content ideas. In the next 60 seconds, this will now start creating 10 days worth of content. Now the scripts have been created, let's have a look at what's actually available. So the first step is we have a top hook and we have a bottom hook. This is the text that would go on the top of the video and the bottom of the video. Then for the creator, which is us, we would have the video angle. So this would give us a little bit of direction on what sort of video we actually want to create. And we also have a caption and a hashtag that we can copy and paste straight into our descriptions. Now, if you don't know what to say for this specific video, just click the generate script and it will generate the script, which will follow a problem, a solution, and then a call to action. The typical reading time of this script is around 30 seconds. If you don't like the script, just click regenerate script and it will regenerate the script for you. You can do this for each one of these content ideas, and if you want to save all of these offline, just go ahead and click export content plan. All of the content into a Google Sheet document, and then you can work your way through. If you don't like any of these ideas, you can click the regenerate content plan, and then it will create a brand new round of content. So what do I think of ViralScript AI? Well, truth be told, I'm a little bit biased because this is my tool. I created it from scratch utilizing the very same frameworks I've been using for the past 10 years, creating videos, going viral, and getting millions upon millions of views every single year. I know for a fact anyone using this tool consistently will in fact get views. I've done my best to keep the design simple, the interface easy to use and intuitive, and I've tried to keep the cost down by letting users use their own API keys. But if you don't have your own API key, you can always upgrade to the pro version for a very low cost. So would I recommend ViralScript AI? Yes, absolutely.